Let's start off by marinating 200 grams of boneless chicken in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now mix this well. Next, into a pan we will add some water and arrange the marinated chicken. Close the lid and boil the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes or till it is cooked. Allow it to cool completely. Meanwhile, let's make the green masala paste. Take a mixer and add 2 green chillies, an inch of ginger, 8 to 10 garlic cloves and 1/4 cup of coriander leaves. Grind this and you can add a tablespoon of water if you want to. Once the chicken cools, shred it. I used a food processor to shred it. Now into a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 onions that are chopped. Saute the onions for a while before adding in a green chilli that is finely chopped. Continue sauteing. Once the onions start changing color, add the green masala paste that we prepared and mix it well. Fry till the raw smell disappears, then add a tomato that is chopped. Fry this for 2 minutes. Then add some salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. These 2 ingredients help in softening the tomatoes faster. Now let's add in a teaspoon each of pepper powder, garam masala and cumin powder. Mix well and fry it for a minute or 2. Then add in the shredded chicken. Combine well. Now it's time to add 2 potatoes that are boiled and mashed. Mix the potato well with the chicken mixture. Finally, we will add in a handful of chopped coriander leaves and we'll give all of this a good mix and then set it aside for cooling. Once cooled, make patties out of the chicken mixture. Before that, make sure to grease your palms with some oil and then make the cutlets with the shape of your choice. Refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, break an egg into a bowl and into it add a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and whisk it well. We've removed the patties from the refrigerator. They seem nice and in shape. So dip the cutlets into the egg mixture and then transfer it into a plate of Rava or semolina. Coat it well with the Rava and then keep it aside. Repeat the same for the other patties as well. In total, I could make 12 patties. I've used only 6 patties now. Now it's time to fry these cutlets. We will shallow fry or deep fry these cutlets till they turn crisp and golden brown from the outside. Once ready, transfer them to a plate with tissues so it sucks the excess oil. Your Goan chicken cutlet is now ready to be devoured. You can dip it in ketchup for better taste. Enjoy!